Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you how to disable the restricted mode on the VS Code. So by default, VS Code comes with some kind of restrictions that you can't open untrusted files, which are very much unsafe, downloaded from internet. If you're directly opening it inside VS Code, it will show you a warning. So you can disable that warning by going to the settings and then going to the user, and right here we have the security feature, and going to workspace, and right here we simply see the trust banner applies to all profiles. So it basically controls when the restricted mode banner is shown. So you can change this from always to never. So you will not never receive a banner if you basically open untrusted files. So it basically says trust empty window applies to all profiles, controls whether or not the empty window is trusted by default within VS Code. If you disable this, now if you open a empty window, you will receive a message. So let's suppose I open this window, you will get this restriction message here that this window is not trustable. You can toggle this setting here, trust enabled, controls whether or not. And then we can even do this setting inside your user setting file as well. Go to preferences, user setting, and here also you can use it. So but the thing is that you go to security workspace and then you disable this very easily. From always you change it to never. So that's all that we need to do. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.